Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. As you know already, we already started CA final revision exams and study hours batch 1 month back. That is an pre-results batch. After recently announced results, many students are asking about CA final study hours and revision exams batch for Jan 2026 examinations. So this is an announcement regarding CA final revision exams and study hours batch for Jan 2026. Before going to the schedule and etc., I want to give you a quick details regarding. Yes, if any student wants to join only for study hours, yes, you can join. Along with the study hours, if you want to write the revision exams, yes, you can opt these revision exams. Or only if you want to write for the revision exams, yes, you can opt for this. Anything also, okay. Yes, you can come only for study hours, or you can come only for revision exams. So if you want to take the both, yes, you can take both revision exams and study hours. So now this is an post results batch. Yes, schedule I will explain in a detailed manner. Yes, you can opt first group, or you can opt second group, and you can opt both groups also. But remember, if you are opting for both groups, definitely it is difficult to write that exam along with your preparation, because we have a less number of days are available in our hands, because it is a post results batch. Now, schedule starts from today only. Yes, today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can prepare, and exam will be on 11th. Like this, every 3 days preparation and 4th day exam. So how you divided the syllabus? FR, AFM, audit. These are the 3 subjects in group 1. We segregated this syllabus of every subject into 10 parts. Like, yes, every 3 days preparation and the 4th day exam. Like, you can write these 10 exams. That means we segregated that every subject syllabus into 10 parts. You can write subject wise. That means nothing but every 3 days preparation and 4th day exam. Like that, you can write the 10 exams. If you observe that 11th you have an exam on this topic FR, and 11th you have an exam on these topics related to AFM. 11th you have an exam on these two topics related to advanced auditing. In the same way, we haven't segregated the DT syllabus also and IDT syllabus also into 10 parts. Remember, in second group, we are going to conduct the test only for the 2 subjects DT and IDT. What is the last exam? 17th 12 2025. That means 17th December, you can complete one revision and you can write the last revision exam on 17th December. After that, we want to conduct one grand test. Yes. So 17th you completed the revision exam. Yes, 18th you can prepare and you can write the FR. Then yes, AFM, next advanced auditing, DT, IDT, and IBS. Such IBS paper we can conduct only in that grand exam. Remember. Now, what are the fees details? This is a very important thing. Yes. If any student wants to attend only study hours, rupees 1200 per month. Yes, remember, the study hours will be available in our KPMG campus, 3rd floor. KPMG campus, 3rd floor. I think some of you already know about this campus. Study hours will be available in benches, not in study chairs as well as cabins, benches. Next, if you want to get further details, yes, you can contact with this 630-990-1213. Next, sir, I want to attend for the revision exams. What is that fees? Yes, 2000 per group. Yes, 2000 per group. Next, that is nothing but if you are taken the both groups, the fees will be 3000. The fees will be 3000. And next, one more detail I want to share. Next, one more detail I want to share. Whatever the schedule now we have in our hands, we can share through that our Telegram channels. And if you want to join in the study hours and revision exam batch, yes, you can contact with this number and you can join. And sir, if you want to join only study hours, yes, you can. If you want to join only for revision exam, that means at the time of examination, you can come to this campus and you can write your exam. So these are the details from our side. And if any details, if you want to take from our institution side, yes, you can contact with this number. Thank you. Have a nice day.